Here is my classic 1988 Honda NX 650 Dominator. Just gonna do a quick walk around on the bike. So just a bit of history here. This bike was in my brother's shed for many years before I acquired it approximately 9 years ago. In that process over the last probably 3 or 4 years, I've restored the bike from every nut and bolt, had the frame powder coated, the motor rebuilt. In the pictures you'll see some of the items around the motor that I've done on it. A couple of very specific things that I've done to it is I installed a Sutton oil cooler, which you'll see there. I also have a video for it up on YouTube. I also installed a XR 650 gas shock on the back. I then built a custom frame for the cases. Now these are not Pelican cases. These are cases that I purchased from Harbor Freight Tools. They actually work pretty well. I'm real happy with it. So let me just open up one here real quickly for you so you can actually see it. There's also a clip on the inside that you can pull off, and these cases come physically off the frame. And let me close that back up. So, as I mentioned a moment ago, I built this custom frame for the cases, and you can see this thing is physically not moving. It's all been welded together. Also have a case for the top. And what else have I done to it? The plastic is in pretty good condition still. You can see the wind fairing that I've installed. The gas tank was completely restored and powder coated also in black. The speedometer, as you can see, is in kilometers per hour. I wanted to install that just to make it a bit more classic, because this bike originally, as you know, with the NX 650 Dominator, they originally started in Europe. What else can I tell you about the bike? So let me go ahead and I'll start it for you. So real quickly, let me back up a little bit and I'll put you on my screen here. Is what I normally do is I will turn it always to off, and then I'll burn out the gas. In this particular position, I've got it in on. Let me turn it on. Pull out the choke. It always starts right up. And that is my 1988 Honda NX 650 Dominator. Thanks for watching.